Many businesses don't realize how crucial Google Maps marketing is to the success of their local business. Many companies just don't understand how much business they're losing by not taking advantage of using Google Maps. Did you know that 90% of consumers search for local businesses online? This is why you need the right plan to leverage the power of Google Maps and quickly obtain more customers. If you're not using Google Maps marketing for your business and your competition is, well, you are greatly hurting your bottom line. So if you own or operate a local business, you need to get started on building a Google Maps marketing campaign.